going on, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how I made $7,500 pretty quick, starting with no money at all. Now, if you haven't seen the first video of this series, I'm doing a 30-day challenge. Whoever turns $100 or less into the most amount will win $250, and there's a second and third winner. If you haven't seen that video, I'll leave it, first link in the description, but it is a 30-day challenge, and I will be teaching along the way every other day a new technique, and this is going to be the first one. So what I'm talking about today is something you can start with no money at all. You can have $0. This is what I did to initially build up my funds to start another business. Now, what I'm talking about is just selling things on eBay. Now, I'm going to go through and show you 3 different ways you can do this, 2 of which I highly recommend, very easy, and the third is just another option. I personally have not done this one. So before we get started, I want to show you, I pulled my old eBay data and pulled out how much I really made. Now, I was doing this in 2015, 2016, when I was 17, 18 years old. Now, you can see I sold a ton of different things. Now, when selling on eBay, when I first started, I would just go through my house and I'd look at random little things. What could I sell? And if I scroll to the top, you'll see, okay, I sold a t-shirt. I sold an Xbox One controller because I had an extra one I didn't need. I sold another shirt, some clothes. Now, on eBay, used things do very well. Not as in terms of price, but in terms of people wanting a lower price and just getting rid of things. You can sell pretty much anything you have on eBay. Now, what I would do is I just messed around with this a little bit. Oh, I have clothes that don't fit. I would sell those until I saw how much I was making from that. And I was like, there's a lot of stuff I don't really need. And I want this money to go start another business, or even if I just wanted it for myself. So I started looking through just things I didn't need and didn't really want or use. And I would find different things. A lot of them were clothing. I sold a cable for $8 still. So the way these columns are set up is this is the sale price that I sold the item for. These are the fees associated with it. Now, eBay takes 15% of the sale price. So sale price is $100. They're going to take $18. The shipping, it really depends on the item, the weight and the size. And eBay, if you use their shipping through eBay, which is pretty much all set up for you, it's very easy to do. It is relatively cheap if the item is not too heavy, and they give you a guesstimate of what it is. And you can have that person pay the shipping for you if you put it on your listing. So I'm not going to focus on that. So after all of these, you can see just different things I would sell. Silicone pot holders, just tons of different little things from all different niches. And I would start finding things online. I sold old hockey gear I had. And I ended up doing about $10,000 in sales. eBay gets about 15% of that, so almost $1,500. About $700 for shipping, which again is after I'm already paid from eBay, so you don't need any money to start this. And then I was left with about $7,500. Now let me go over on Safari and show you guys. Now, like I said, I was just going through my house. I would look at clothes, I would look at video game type stuff. If I had an old game I didn't play, any old consoles. Example, I sold a GameCube for like $50 2 years ago. You can buy them for probably $30, $40 now, but that's an extra $40, $50 right there, as well as controllers, games. You can bundle things together. So that is kind of the first strategy, just looking through your house, because you will have stuff, even if it's small things. Like I said, I sold a USB for like $5. I wasn't going to use that. After fees, I could still get like $3.50. Now, you will have to package the item up and ship it, which eBay kind of prompts you to do all that. They make it very easy. But you will have those, so just keep that in mind. Now, the second strategy I'm going to be talking about is very, very easy. And I don't see a lot of people doing it, and surprises me. It kind of ties in with Amazon, and that strategy is going to be taking items you can get for free. Now, this tool right here is called JumpSend. If you're not familiar with my Amazon videos, it's one of the Amazon tools I use. But they have a free section where you can get products either at a very high discount or for free. And it used to be in exchange for just leaving a review on the product. Now they don't ask you that you do that. They want you to. And hope for it, but it's not a requirement. So what you can do here is just come down, bring the price to, okay, I want to see everything that is under $1. And let's just see what's free first, actually. So we could get this right here for free, resell it on eBay if we wanted to. Now let's see what's under $1. If we wanted to spend $1, what could I sell? Well, digital red meat thermometer, I could definitely sell that for at least $5. That might be worth it. Cost me 65 cents. Let's see what else. School piece, soft brush ink. Okay, pens, maybe not. Eyelashes, I'm sure I could sell those for more than $1. And I would just go through this website. And again, there's tons of other websites like this. This is not the only one. This one, again, is JumpSend. And you do have to sign up for a free account, but it is free. And I'd go through here and I'd look and I'd get all of these products for free, or maybe 10 cents max. And I would resell them even if, okay, so USB cable, it's a 3.5-foot one and then a 6.5-foot one. You could resell that for $5-6. So you get 10 items from here and you make $4 or $5 profit. That's $50. And that's only 10 items and just listing them on eBay. So that strategy is one I don't see a lot of people using and can be very, very easy. And the third one you can do, which I don't really recommend on eBay. Again, eBay is great for used items. Newer ones, it doesn't do as well. Amazon's a lot better for that. But you can drop ship straight through eBay. And you will see a lot of people doing this. So if I just type in something like socks, there will be a lot of people, there will be big brands, but then there'll be kind of just general socks here. You see, they're very popular. They sell a lot, free shipping, free returns, probably shipped from China. So let's see. Oh, nope, that one's from Texas. So a lot of people will create listings on eBay and then use a drop shipping method. So the website you go over to is AliExpress, and this is pretty much just you ship the product. Once the person pays you and orders it, you order it from the supplier sends it directly to the customer. So you're not shipping anything, you're not packaging anything up, and you can do this with a multitude of different things. So let's say I was gonna look at just socks. Now you wouldn't wanna do socks, it's probably pretty competitive, but I could do that with any of these. So let's say I really like these socks right here. These look like kid socks. And I want to say, okay, they're 80 cents a pair for me. We'll just say they're $1 a pair for me. Well, I'm gonna sell them for $3 a pair, never spend any of my own money, and it's free shipping right here. Now, the only drawback is it does take 30 to 50 days. So you will have to find a better supplier than that because eBay does have rules and regulations for how long shipping and handling can take. But there's a lot of suppliers on here that do ship a lot faster. So this one has a $4 coupon. Shipping is 20 days. It's not too bad. And you can give them the option for faster shipping as well. But this strategy, again, is not one I've personally done. It's a lot of people do this. eBay, it's a more difficult platform than Amazon with ranking and whatnot. And just getting sales, it has less volume than Amazon. So I highly recommend Amazon for drop shipping if you're gonna try it, or even just doing Shopify. But the first two methods, if you're starting with zero and you need to make a little bit of money, are by far the easiest. Take no skill, take no money. All you have to do, put up the listing, take a picture or two with your phone or whatever you have. I just used my phone, upload it, list it on eBay, and you can either list it for a buy now price, you can list it for a bid. Someone bids, let's say you want $10, someone bids $5 and it's not selling anyway. You say, okay, take it $5 and you still made that profit. Now the goal here isn't to continually do this. This is a way to get funds like $500 to $1,000 over a few months or even a month or two. I was making about $500 to $1,000 a month doing this for almost a year straight, and then start a business such as Amazon FBA selling, where it's easier to scale and is a real business model, not as much just reselling. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, make sure you go watch that first video I posted. It's my last video, and it talks about the challenge and everything with that, because you can win $250 or some other prizes. So make sure you go watch that. If you guys like this video, make sure to leave a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.